We'll guide you through how to color inside lines Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because coloring line art in Krita can be confusing for beginners. They often struggle with issues like color leaking outside lines or not knowing how to organize layers properly. Open Krita and click File, then choose Open or New to start your project. Import or draw your line art on the canvas. Go to the Layers panel and make sure your line art is placed on the top layer. Set the line art layer mode to normal so it displays correctly. Create a new layer below the line art and rename it to Color. Select the color layer, then choose the Fill tool. Pick your desired color from the color selector and click inside the area you want to fill. If the color leaks, check for gaps in your line art and close them using the brush tool. You can also increase the threshold and tool options to control the fill. Enable Grow Selection to remove unwanted white edges. For tricky areas, use the Freehand Selection Tool to draw a selection around the shape, then use the Fill tool inside it. Press Ctrl Shift A to deselect afterward. Use the Brush tool for manual coloring and paint carefully inside the lines. Switch to a smaller brush for edges to maintain clean boundaries. Turn on Alpha Lock on the color layer to keep color within the filled areas, allowing you to add shading without going outside. Zoom in for better accuracy while working on details. Check the edges around your lines carefully and fix any remaining leaks or gaps. Finally, save your work and export your artwork in your preferred format. Make sure to choose an appropriate file name and location when saving your project file for easy access later. When exporting, select the desired file format such as PNG or JPEG depending on your needs. Adjust export settings if necessary to maintain image quality. Practicing these steps will help you improve your coloring workflow and achieve cleaner results over time. Continue experimenting with different colors and techniques to enhance your artwork further overall.